model, 69 plate Vauxhall Vivaro. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 75,000. MOT, the 30th of October 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turnover. Engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail.